Hello everybody! So this is a revisit of the car wash at Speedway gas station on Sunrise and Kolb in Tucson. It was replaced with a Ryko SoftGloss Maxx 5. When I went up to see if it was still original, I saw the different flashing lights. And I'm like, yep, it got replaced. Speedy wash. Oh, and they have an unusual looking set of dryers. I've never seen these kind before. If anyone can tell me if these might be newer Ryko dryers or if they're new old stock or used, we don't know. The code is, I don't see it on here. Okay, 30631.
Please enter your... Please select one of the... Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
I got the $12 car wash. That's the one I got, was a $12 one, but everything was replaced. And I'll be honest, the old Ryko Radius needed to be replaced because it was giving out really stinky, smelly water, and it was just so crappy and in bad condition. This one's a lot better. It's brand new. Look at that. Yeah, I'm curious as to what kind of dryers those are. thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. You can see it right there. And that's it.